Alright y'all, this is going to be kind of a review for one of my favorite tools, one of my favorite EDC things. Anyway, most of y'all know I always carry a pocket knife. I've been carrying this Benchmade 940 ever since I got it. I really like it. It's really smooth. But if I could only carry one thing for EDC or whatever, it would be the Leatherman Wave Plus. So, a while back, I had a Leatherman Wingman, and it's a pretty good tool, but it's nowhere as heavy duty as this. If you keep up with the Leatherman stuff, the pages and things like that, a lot of people say that the Surge is more heavy duty and a better tool. Honestly, I don't know because I haven't had a Surge. Maybe one day I'll get one, but I can tell you so far, I like these. I haven't seen anything that they did bad at. So, I'll go ahead and put some clips up of different times of using it with cutting wire and things like that. So, throw that up. Alright y'all, not as easy of a task one-handed, but I've got a long access chain here that I don't need, so I'll cut it off right here, giving myself a little benefit of grace here. But yeah, get it lined up there. Demonstrate one of the reasons I like Leatherman so much. There we go. Got it down in the bottom of the jaws. There we go. I've cut a lot of barbed wire with the Leatherman Wingman, but this is the Wave Plus, and it's actually a lot easier. If I get it in the right spot. There we go. But yeah, those cutters right there are pretty good. Alright, and we're back. Now, of course, the reason you buy these is for the pliers. They grip pretty good. The cutters are really good for a multi-tool, I believe. They also have where you can change out the jaws in there if they get messed up or broke. So, tools, most of them are on the inside here. I use these for lots of things. Cutting wire, you put up T-post and you wrap the clips around it and stuff. I'll use these, all that fun stuff. So far, highly recommend them. We have small scissors here, which are really sharp, and the Wingman had a big set of scissors, but I like the small ones better. They cut better for what I'm doing with it. You have a small little, here all the tools lock, but you have a small little pry bar type deal, or you can use it for a screwdriver. Now I don't remember what that's supposed to do. You have a small little like eyeglass screwdriver. You got Phillip on one end and flat on the other. Then over here, you got a can opener and a wire stripper in there. Then you have the bit exchanger. Phillip and flat comes with it. And should have thought about it before I turned the camera on, but I've got the bit kit to go with it and the extension. So I've got the Torx bits and things like that, which I use pretty often. Now on the outside, you got a fully serrated blade, which works good for butchering, some animals will say. You got a file. This is like a nail file side, and this is more of a metal file side. And you have your straight blade, which the Leatherman blades are really sharp. Then you have the wood saw, and you can also use the back of it to strike a ferro rod, I believe. And there's a something like hidden, they call it, lanyard spot. It's like tucked. I don't remember how they pulled it out. Let's try this. Yep. Yeah, you can pop that out where you put a lanyard on it, which I don't care for a lanyard, so does me no good. Anyway, I carry that thing still in my Tale of Knives leather holster type deal. Organizer, I think they call it. It's got the heavy duty clip still holding good. I've been carrying this thing for over a year now. No problems. You can see a bit of worn places on the leather, but it's really thick, really heavy duty. No holes, no problems. And I've got the per run in here. Alright. Like I said, if you don't have a Leatherman, I really like them. I've had good luck with it. The Wingman was a pretty good tool. This one's better. Maybe one day I'll get a Surge and be able to compare. Surge is supposed to be a little bit bigger and a little more heavy duty, and you can change out the bits and you can change out the blade, like the saw blade on here. They have where you can use, I think, jigsaw blades in it, where you can put wood blades, metal blades, or whatever you want, or you can switch it out to a file or something. I'm not sure if you can put the jigsaw blade straight in or whether you have to modify them a little bit. Like I said, I'm not as familiar with the Surge, but anyway, the Wave Plus, I like it. I recommend it. So that's all I got to say on that. Especially doing homesteading, prepping, general work, things like that. A good multi-tool is hard to beat. So on that note, stay prayed up, prepped up, and strapped up. See ya.